morning, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. I got a note yesterday, I think, from Chad, a subscriber of mine to the channel, alerting me to another potential issue with the Tacoma back here. And what this is a service bulletin. This is not a remedy or a recall. It is a service bulletin. And what it applies to are some 2016 through 2019 Tacomas, right back here. And it says, and I'll read this to you so I get it right. It says some 2016 through 2019 model year Tacoma vehicles may exhibit corrosion or paint blistering on the front and or rear lower door sills. That's where you get in and out of the truck, in the front and the back. Let's see. Follow the repair procedure in the bulletin to address the condition. Okay, so apparently there can be corrosion or paint blistering in the door sills. Now we're going to check mine and see if indeed I have this problem. I have no idea. Wasn't even aware of this until Chad sent it to me the other day. Now it does say here one other note. The repair is covered under the Toyota basic warranty, as you would expect. The warranty is in effect for 36 months of 36,000 miles. So if you don't fall into that, good luck. Let's see. Warranty application is limited to occurrences of the specified condition described in the bulletin. So in other words, you can't take your truck in if you're not showing these corrosion or paint blistering problems and expect that they're going to repaint your door sill without anything showing up. So there you go. You can check yourself on the web under recalls or service bulletins, as it were, to see if your truck is affected. As usual, it depends on your VIN number and when it was built and all that kind of stuff during that time period. So now I'm going to go put you guys on a handheld mobile unit, and we're going to look inside mine and see if I have any evidence of this happening. Okay, we've made you guys mobile. Let's take a look. Let's start in the front. And again, it's in the door sill area. This is, of course, the door sill area. So we're looking in here to see if indeed I have any evidence of any kind of bubbling. There's a scratch. Of course, that's not a defect. That's a RobMotive problem. Right around here, I don't see anything. I don't see any kind of defects or anything in here. So that's good. I'm pretty happy about that. I'm not seeing it in the front. Let's check the rear. All right, we'll start kind of up here in the corner. Again, paying attention around where the paint breaks, you know, where things are screwed in, these kind of areas. Looking along the bottom here. Again, up here in these kind of areas where things are screwed in. I'm not seeing any problems myself. At least not on the driver's side. Let's go around and check the passenger side. Start here in the rear. It's going to be a little bit darker back here. I think you can see okay though. I can actually see better through the camera. Checking around here. Don't see any problems there. Right in here, no issues. Look down along the bottom. No problems there, and no problems here, and nothing further on around, so I don't see any issues there on the passenger rear. Let's check out the passenger front. Start over here next to this bracket area right here. I don't see any bubbling or any signs of corrosion. Right along the bottom here, looks good. It's dirty. Come up here again, checking around where the paint breaks. In other words, where there are other items in the paint. Don't see anything there. Go up across the top. I don't see anything anywhere. Okay, so there is a quick inspection, and it really takes just that long. And I'm even filming, so it takes even longer. Obviously, if you walk out to your truck and just take a quick look around, you'll be able to see if you have any issue like that. I would think it'll jump right out. I know on older vehicles I've had, when paint starts to bubble or rust or corrode or whatever, it catches your eye pretty quick because it's such an annoying thing. Anyway, I just wanted to get on here, let you guys know about the latest service bulletin from Tacoma, or Toyota rather, regarding the Tacoma. I'd go out, give your truck a quick once over, see if you have that. I mean, I know it's a pain to take in vehicles, but it is covered under warranty, and it's much better than keeping the truck for 10 years and having your door sill rust out, or just having to look at that. Hope it was helpful. Let me know down below if you guys go out and take a look. If you run into this, I'd be curious to see how big of a problem it is. Don't forget, please give this video a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button on the way out. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye. Kidding me?